Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite CAT professional quantifiers. In today's DILR set, we are going to discuss a very good set on conditional arrangement, if-else type. So it all depends upon how you take the variables initially. If you are taking the variables in the correct way, then the set will get finished within minutes. If not, you might elongate it to let's say 10 or 15 minutes also. So let's see what the set is all about. The set says Mr. Sharma's family consists of Mr. Sharma, his wife, son, and daughter. Okay. Each of the family members is either a singer, dancer, lawyer, or engineer. No two family members have the same profession. The following condition need to be be always satisfied. If the singer and dancer are of okay, then there are conditions. So, if I am talking about the question, there are four people. The four people are Mr. Sharma, Mrs. Sharma, son, and daughter. These are the four people involved, right? Now, whenever there are these conditions, I will start with the condition which gives me something concrete or gives me the maximum information about the variables. ठीक है? या तो मुझे वो जो condition होगी वो कुछ concrete देगी या कुछ maximum information देगी variables के बारे में, तभी हम उससे शुरू करेंगे. ठीक है? Now the first point says if the singer and dancer are of same sex, then the dancer is older than the singer. So अब हमको कोई एक assume करना पड़ेगा, Mr. Sharma or son or year this. Okay, so let's keep it in the pocket. Okay. If neither the singer nor the dancer is the parent of the other, then the singer is older than dancer. Again, singer and dancer are involved. Okay. If singer is female, lawyer and engineer are of same sex. So now there are three professions involved: singer, lawyer, engineer. So let me start with this. Okay, and I'll see that what I can reach. If singer is a female, so if singer is here is a female, then lawyer and engineer are of same sex. So lawyer, engineer, lawyer. So singer के साथ आया dancer, dancer के साथ आया singer. So remember, this is just an assumption. This is not a concrete result. I have just read this out and I have mentioned that this could be one of the cases. Now, will it be one of the cases or not? We will see. So third condition is I have assumed this to be true. Okay. If singer is a man, singer I have assumed female, so I am not taking this condition. If singer and dancer belong to opposite sexes, so there they are same sexes, so I am not assuming this condition further. If the dancer and lawyer are of opposite sexes, so dancer and lawyer, yes, they are of opposite sexes, then the lawyer and dancer are of same age. Lawyer and dancer are of same age. So, okay. So, lawyer and engineer same. So, nothing about twins or same, something is given. So, lawyer and engineer are of same. Lawyer and dancer are of same age. So, this must be singer. And this must be engineer. Okay, let's see if there is any other consistency there. First, if the singer and dancer are of the same sex, if singer and dancer are of same sex, then dancer is older than the singer. So this is also getting verified from here. Okay. So leave the point about twins. Maybe they were twins, but this is also getting verified from this stage. The dancer is this. The singer and dancer are of same sex. Okay. So first point is also qualifying. Third point is also qualifying. Sixth point is also qualifying. So using these three conditions, I have made one of my arrangements. Okay. And now I will move to the questions. If I find any answer to be cannot be determined, or if I find anything contradicting, I may assume the other points to be true and move on. Otherwise, not. Who is a singer? Singer is daughter. So Mr. Sharma's daughter. Who is how is lawyer related to singer? So lawyer related to singer. Lawyer is the father. Which of the following is the only married couple? So which of the following is the only married couple? That is lawyer and dancer. Okay. Who is the engineer? Engineer is their son. So this completes my set. So overall, as I told you that if you had begun with this, the first point or the second point, you might have taken a long bit by assuming a few variables and maybe 4 on 4, 4. But other way around, it is one of the very easy sets. I hope you guys have understood. Thank you so much. Have a good day.